want to remove these screws, pretty much everyone that you see that are touching the silver part. Okay, so after you remove the screws that are hitting the silver part, the body, don't take these ones off. You just want to take a screwdriver, pop these clips down. It's going to pop off pretty quick. Be careful when it does come off, because those are the ribbon cables. Show you. Oh, I forgot to remove this screw. So there's this screw right here. You have to remove this. I'll kind of show it to you. To remove the ribbon cables, you just want to pop them up. And off, just like that. And then to remove the touchscreen, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, like these 5 screws right here. Or 4 screws. I haven't worked on one of these in a while. Same thing with the ribbon cable, just pop them up. And then you can pop this piece out. Once this piece is out, you just put your finger right between and just pop it out. I guess I can do it real quick, even though it's a new screen. Undo this ribbon cable. So here's the touchscreen. So your touchscreen will not have this. It's kind of like a gasket. Just go ahead and reuse the gasket. The best way to do that is, it's a new screen, so I don't want to mess with it too much. Just like that, and just peel it off, and you can peel it right back on the new one. It's that simple. And then when you put the touchscreen back on, you gotta be careful right here. You gotta make sure that it's not laying a little crooked. Because if you put the LCD back on and it's on top of that little piece of plastic right there, it's just gonna smash it and it'll crack the screen. So make sure it's in. See how it's like locked kind of? And then you can put the LCD back on top. Just like this. Before you screw anything down, just hold it down tight, flip it upside down, and make sure that there's no space or gaps. If it's perfectly flat, then put the screws back on. And just make sure all the ribbon cables are straight. If the ribbon cables are off just by like a fraction, the touchscreen will not work, the radio will not work. And that's pretty much about it. I mean, I'll show you how to put these back on. So we put the ribbon cable back in. There's even a line here, and it shows you if it's straight or not. Same thing with this one. Just make sure the ribbon cable goes all the way in. And then when you put this part back on, this is the part that you gotta be a little careful of, because if this ribbon cable is off just by a little bit, and I've done this plenty of times before, is you can burn the ribbon cable. So make sure these are in there straight, completely flat. There's a line here also showing that it's in there perfectly flat. I mean straight. Any other questions, feel free to give me a call. Have a good weekend. Bye.